Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jay's T6 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily use all the gestures. So at first we have to remove our headphones from our case. Now if we tap on our right earphone on our task panel over here, we can pause and pause the music. If we double tap, we can go to the next song and triple tap previous one. As you can see, it works. Now if I want to increase my volume level, I have to, as you can see, tap on my left earphone once. But if I want to decrease, I have to double tap. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.